What is going on, everybody? Logan here for a new video, and today I am of course going to Musclepalooza out here in Sugarland. I've been driving for about 30-45 minutes, but the sun finally came up, so it's all foggy. But I am actually helping out the event because this is West Houston Muscle. This is one of their events, which West Houston Muscle, they're the ones that hosts the monthly races out there in Sealy. Sadly, we haven't been able to do an event this year yet because of the rain. Amazingly, this Saturday, it hasn't rained yet. It's supposed to rain later today, but for the rest of the day, it's going to be good. So I'm going to go ahead and drive to Musclepalooza and show you all the cars there. And here I am at Constellation Field. I am working the event, so I'm here before everybody. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I've been out here in front of Musclepalooza for about an hour now, kind of telling people where to go. I'm probably gonna be out here for maybe another 30 minutes, but there's been 77 people come in, so I cannot wait to get over there, see some of those cars. I've already seen like a Viper, ton of Corvettes, Mustangs, Camaros, even 2 SRT 10 trucks. So this is a pretty cool show, I'd say. And I know I usually don't do any kind of videos of these kind of shows just because, I mean, so many people, you know, just walk around car shows, do their videos, and personally, I think they're kind of boring, but this is Musclepalooza, a bunch of cool cars, so I will be doing one today. There are just a ton of cool cars here. By the time I was done, maybe, oh, hey, look at this online car show. But by the time I was done helping them at the front, you know, counting all the cars, there were 111 cars. So, and even more have showed up since then. But there are just a bunch of very cool cars here. Very nice SS, and with the water burger. Hey, what is this right here? The 2SS/RS.
2SS is the trim, so it's got leather and stuff.
Yeah. I thought RS meant it was a V6.
It used to be the RS was a V6, but it was like a high trim level. Yeah. Like in the Ford Chin days. Yeah. I don't know what they do.
I like the license plate. Booby. Clean Chevy truck decided to show up.
383 aluminum heads. Yeah.
High-tech Corvette.
This is Don that owns it. It's a buddy of mine that used to come to Vintage on Enclave, and if I remember right, this chassis has close to 500,000 miles on it. It was a farm truck, and then he decided just to go full ham on it. And I mean, the thing will absolutely haze tires everywhere it goes. Straight body, and the interior is absolutely epic in it.
It is.
It's. If you wanted America, well, if you wanted it, you asked.
Imagine putting headers on and off here. Literally bolt-ons. Look at those tires. And look at that suspension setup in these tires. This is a really quiet, smooth running Thunderbird right here. It looks like a...
Maybe that's a radiator overfill?
Who knows? Very unique Corvette over here. This is an awesome little wrap. If you watched my video of the Mustang show that was last year, maybe in February, March, you'd recognize this truck right here. Actually, he's already replaced the engine since then, but it is a very mean truck. Nice wooden bed as well. Oh my gosh, is that Bubba Blue? Very nice Hellcat over here. Nitrous, Boombera Performance. I dig it. Very catchy green Viper over here. I mean, it's crazy because these cars right here, yeah, this is the older one, but still looks new to the untrained eye. With some snakeskin stripes. And over here we have an LS2 swap 1954 Chevy. This is awesome because this engine right here is straight out of a Corvette. I'm really glad I came to the show because there are just a bunch of unique trucks, cars, and everything over here. Look at that. Newer headlights. This AC Cobra. Very, very cool. I like it. Inside, I like those seats. Wow. Hey, look at that. Even carbon fiber on the dash. And look at this 1962 Vet. I like how it has this little sign right here. says 1962 cost of living. That just shows you a new house, $12,550, and a brand new Corvette, $4,038. So that was awesome. I put it over here because I always hear about classic cars, how cheap they were, but when you put, adjust for inflation, you'll see how, yeah, it's actually kind of expensive still. And both of these trucks actually were at last year's Musclepalooza as well. Two Viper SRT 10s. One's the 4-door, one's the 2-door. Very unique trucks. I dig them. And over here we have a scrub shooting a YouTube video. See, I really like custom builds like this. He has all this Alcantara back here, the Optum battery. Very cool build. Even the interior, it is just completely different. Look at that head unit right there. Almost looks like the it's not as big as the Teslas, but it's a touchscreen. This is a very unique build. Is this a race truck?
His blow-off valves are bigger than most people's exhaust.
What in the world?
Daily driver too. What he said, daily drives it, right? So 2,000 horsepower.
2,000 horsepower, daily driven. This might be the craziest build out there that I've seen today. Just look at this interior. Wow. Twin turbocharged, so you can obviously tell some money has gone into this truck. Very unique build. One of the better ones here at the show today. The loudest car here. So this right here is an Austin Healey. Look at this windshield right here. Original steering wheel. Wow. 75 horsepower engine. I like it. Very unique. Well, look at this. Completely gutted out in the interior. Big old nitrous bottle right there. This is a purpose-built drag car. Climbing in the car. Putting the steering wheel on. Wow. Just did the awards, and this Thunderbird right here just got the best of show. Deservingly too. This is a very cool car. Very clean. They did this car right. And just like that, Musclepalooza is done. This is my favorite part of any kind of meet, because all you hear are all of these cars leaving. But right now I am with James, Online Car Show. We're actually part of the same car club, United Muscle Car Family. Very cool club, a lot of cool cars, cool people. And with the people I rode in here today, there was a Camaro, me, Camaro, Charger. And now that we're done, we are going to Whataburger, get some food. And high-tech Corvette right here. For those of you who don't know what Whataburger is, bless your soul. Best burger joint in Texas. By far better than In-N-Out. What do you say? What do you think about Whataburger?
You don't know what Whataburger is, you're a Yankee.
I actually want to give a shout out to this guy right here in the silver Camaro. His name is Roger. He's actually been watching my channel for at least the last year. Shout out to Roger. Thank you for being a good subscriber. And what is going on, everybody? This is now the day after Musclepalooza. It was really an awesome event. As you can tell, I am pretty sunburnt. My face is just burnt, but it was really fun. What I was doing, I was working there for about 2 hours. I was telling people where to go as far as spectators and people in the car show. It's the first time I was able to actually meet the people that I've been talking to online, so that was really cool. James, he actually won top 30, so that was really cool, and hey, I'm really proud of him. His 1LE is awesome. I mean, I know that we give each other crap all the time, you know, and I share anti-Chevy stuff. He says crap about Ford, but but be more friends at the end of the day. And the fact that he was able to win something was really cool. And if you aren't following him, definitely give him a follow, because he has a very cool 1LE build. It's a bright red Camaro. He has like long tube headers, E85. Definitely a cool build, so go check him out. Leave his link down in the description below. Look at this mess, like this right here. This right here is one of those pollen sticks I cannot stand. Look at all this, look at all that pollen and everything coming off of these. This right here is where all the pollen comes from. Falls from these pine trees, but look at this, you can see all that pollen in every little raindrop, you can see it. So this is definitely not cool. You look over here at this Jeep, just how much pollen's already on, and the pollen really hasn't even started falling yet. It just started this week. It's gonna be a crazy spring. Well guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.